Have you heard about the Blackout challenge on TikTok?
What to do when nothing goes in our way. So, the nature of our life is a little bit unfair.
Namo Buddhaya. You have now come to the World News and the Buddha's Great Message session, where we read the news that happened all around the world and what lessons we can learn from these news, according to the Supreme Buddha's teachings. My name is Sanila, and today I'm here with Hesli. Social media platforms were created to universally connect us, but the more time spent on these platforms can lead to social anxiety, depression, cyberbullying, and exposure to content that is not age-appropriate and have negative impact on children. Have you heard about the Blackout challenge on TikTok? The Blackout challenge is a dare that encourages those who try to hold their breath until they pass out due to lack of oxygen. It is sometimes referred to as the choking challenge or the pass out challenge. Let's watch the news now.
We humans tend to remain hopeful till the end. Even when everything around us seems hopeless, we still choose hope. Like the family members of Archie Battersby. Archie is a 12-year-old British boy. In the month of April, he was found unconscious at home. There was a cord over his head. His parents believe Archie may have been trying to do an online challenge. Like I said, he's just 12 years old. And ever since that episode in April, he's been in coma. Archie never regained consciousness. Currently, he's on life support at a hospital in East London. The doctors believe the boy is brain dead.
In April 2022, 12-year-old Archie Battersby became another victim of this popular social media challenge on TikTok called the Blackout Challenge. According to The Verge, 7 children died trying to mimic this trend. Battersby's mother found her 12-year-old son unconscious after taking part in this dangerous challenge. Therefore, my dear Dhamma friends, do not participate in these dangerous challenges. Instead, try to develop good qualities and collect merit. Do not waste this rare human life.
Namo Buddhaya. My name is Hesli. What to do when nothing goes in our way. First, remember the nature of our life. Life is a little bit unfair, but the problem is we expect everything in our life to be perfect and to be fair. The Buddha said, if you have more and more expectations inside you, the chances are very high for you to be so stressed. So remember that expectation stands for suffering. If you expect your life to become fair, you will suffer. So, the nature of our life is a little bit unfair.
Author Sir Rushdie, whose writing led to death threats, has been attacked on stage at an event in New York State. He was about to give a lecture when a man stormed the stage at the 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐚 institution and began punching or stabbing Sir Salmah as he was being introduced.
I will teach you 3 things to do when you face an unfair situation. First of all, you need to realize what this situation is. For example, analyze whether the situation is in your control or out of your control. Number 2, if the situation is within your control, do something to change that situation. Number 3, if the situation is out of your control, what should we do? Normally, we spend days and days trying to change those situations. But in the end, we cannot do that. What are the situations that you cannot change? These could be criticism and opinions from people and how they behave in front of you. So the question is, if you cannot change the situations, what should we do? You have to change your perspective about the situation, because the perspective or the way you see the situation is within your control, because your thoughts are in your control. So, if you cannot change the situation, change your perspective. By the power of the Noble Triple Gem, may you all have the strength and courage to face such a situation and escape from the samsaric journey. We will see you all next week. Teriwan Saranay Namo Buddhaya.